In this video, we will view 5 houses for sale in the parish of St. James. Without further ado, let's take a look at our first house. This beautiful 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom property is located in Montego Bay and is currently listed for $495,000. It sits on 21,500 square feet of land and has 4,600 square feet of living space. Let's see what the inside has to offer. First up, we have the front porch. We then move right along to the first living area. Next, we have the second living and dining area, third living and dining area, and this is the final dining area. Next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen, and this is a second kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom, fifth bedroom, and this is the sixth bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. 3 bathrooms were shown out of the 7. Lastly, we move from here and head to the balcony. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. For this 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, it's located in the gated community called Serenity, which is located in Iron Shore, Montego Bay, St. James. The square footage of this house is approximately 2,747 square feet, and it's for sale with a price tag of $300,000. Let's take a look on the inside. First up, we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Followed by that, we do have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. Out of the 4 bathrooms that this house has, only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And from here, we're going to head back on the outside. Now, one amenity here that I'm sure you will enjoy is that while living here, you will have access to the swimming pool. House number 3. This 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house can be found in the community of Iron Shore in Montego Bay, St. James. This house is being sold for $475,000. Let's go ahead and explore this property. As we enter, this is the first living and dining area. Up next is the second living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. We then have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. This house has 6 bedrooms in total, however only 2 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. Only 2 out of the 5 bathrooms were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. We then move from here and head on the outside to take a final look at the property. That would end house number 3. House number 4. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house can be found in the community of Westgate Hills in Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this house is approximately 3,507 square feet. However, the lot measures in at 13,163 square feet, so you do have a bit of space to expand if you wish to do so. Now, this house is up for grabs as it's currently listed for 46 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. First up, we have the living area, dining area, and next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen, and this is the second kitchen. Followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the fourth bedroom. We then move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. Next is the laundry area. And lastly, we have the balcony. That would then bring us to the end of house number 4. House number 5. This 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is located in Montego Bay and is valued at 46 million Jamaican dollars. This house sits on 7,900 square feet of land and has 6,000 square feet of living space. Let's go and take a look on the inside. We start off with the living area. We then have the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen, and this is the second kitchen. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third, fourth bedroom, fifth bedroom, and this is the sixth bedroom. Out of the 7 bedrooms, 6 were shown. We then move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third bathroom, and this is the fourth bathroom. We move from here and head to the balcony. We're then going to take a look at the back of the property. That will then end house number 5.